One more. Okay, Mike, you sit down on the chair.
Yep. That's my boss.
Your feet inside. Oh, my feet inside. No, I think not the major label.
So we are currently now doing the corporate photo shoot for the workshops, and
Hey guys.
yep. And Andy is going for lunch now. So it's our handsome Leo taking a few shots.
Okay. Next. You want to change position? Do funny shot. Don't have. Okay.
It's here. Hi Ethel. Hi.
Is this a garbage?
Yes, it is. Ethel is so sweet. She helps us to keep the office clean and nice. And our package is arriving, guys. Our package is arriving. It's here. It's here. Thank you.
152.62.
152.62. Yes. Oops, forgot. We have to pay for the GST. Do you have change? Okay, give me a second, guys. 152.62. What is this, guys? Well, it's probably time for some unboxing later. Everyone is feeling sad because... Why are we feeling sad, Charles? Because? You never hold on to your verge?
Yeah, I'm on the verge of tilting now.
On the verge of tilting, guys. Oh man. It is rumored that there are otters in this canal. Let's see whether we can get any today. Nope. No luck, unfortunately. There was a family of otters that were swimming past this canal a few days ago, I think maybe last week, which was pretty cute, but we couldn't find any. Here is the perfection.
这碗汤比较辣汤，妈妈喜欢。
Yummy, look at that. Oops. Yeah.
Thanks for buying for the rest of us.
Alrighty then, so just ordered lunch, waiting for the rest of the guys to get their respective dishes. So Charles is having the lovely prawn noodles. Check out, man. Check that out. See? So the stock is just immaculate, guys. And it only costs like what? $5? $5, guys. So 5 Sing dollars is about maybe $3.50, $4 US. Yeah, it's really affordable. Like mine, this is like only $4. Nice and affordable. Check it out. Alright guys, time to dig in. I'll catch you after lunch. Alright, so we just had lunch. Time for the unboxing. So, the MEVO Boost. We have the actual MEVO Plus, the kit that it comes in, and I assume that this is the MEVO stand. Okay, it comes with a nice carry case. Just so you know, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. It's just that we are moving our production towards more of live streaming on multiple platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, of course. So we needed to have a live streaming kit like this. So we decided to get 2 of these. Right? This is one set. And yeah, so time to unbox it again. So as you can see, you can do live using live stream. You can do Facebook Live, YouTube, Periscope, and Twitter. So it shoots in up to 180p and of course with 4K. So streams up to full HD 180p via Wi-Fi or LTE and records wide shots in stunning 4K. Alright. Ooh. So, quick start guide. What is this? Looks like a charger of some sort. Oh, okay. So this is that. I assume this is the where you put the MEVO on. Wow, it just snaps on really nicely, guys. Okay, so it snaps on pretty nicely. And the cables. So it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, so this is the MEVO itself. Now time for the MEVO Boost. This aside. Alright, so this is the MEVO Boost. So this, I assume, would be to connect to the internet for us to live stream. So it has the Ethernet connection, LTE. It has power up, charge your iPhone, and mount anywhere securely fastened to any microphone stand or tripod. Okay. Yep. Flip it over. There's a very nice. Oops. It's a very nice MEVO. Ooh. Ooh, look at that, guys. Whoops. Oh, wow. One one thing I must say, the build is really good, guys. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. This is, I assume, is the on-off button. Oh, to open this. Oh, okay. Start guide. This is, oops, the power. Okay, this is the MEVO power. And this probably is the cable itself. Okay, pretty straightforward stuff. Plug and go. Nice. Simple and easy. We are ready to live stream, guys. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that short little unboxing video of the MEVO. Right now they are both charging at the moment. So as you can see, it's quite cool. Like for example, this is this was charged up a little bit earlier, and you can see that this is starting to charge up. So it's like slightly more on the yellow side. It's not fully charged. So I'm assuming the moment this becomes fully charged, this will turn completely green. It's pretty cool. Anyway, back to work.